Hello, Amundson's class. 5.2, multiply fractions and the area model. We good with multiplying fractions?
Yes.
All right, here we go. We're going to talk about the area model in a second. Factor is a number that easily fits into... What do factors help us do? Reduce fractions. And then factors, in order for a factor to be a factor, obviously, I give you a number, right?
Yeah.
The factor cannot be any bigger than that number I give you. True or false?
True.
It can be the same size or it can be...
Smaller.
Say again?
Smaller.
You can't fit a bigger number into a smaller number. Therefore, factors have to be the same or smaller, right? Because factors are numbers that go nicely into other numbers. Okay? Product, simplify, we'll skip over those. Okay, here's our math problem. Our math problem is 2/3 times 1/2. How do you solve fractions when we're multiplying? What do? This times this, so what would we say? Numerator times gives you your new numerator, right?
Yeah.
Denominator times gives you your new denominator, right?
Yeah.
If this is your answer, what do you need to do? Simplify, use your common factors, yes?
Yes.
Now, if I'm asking you to do the area model, we're going to do the same problem, 2/3 times 1/2. Talk me through the steps. Step 1 would be to create a...
Rectangle.
Step 2 then would be to place our first number where? On top. So 2/3 is my first multiplier. I put it on top of the rectangle. Where do I place my second number? On the side. Great. Now that I have 2/3 on the top, I need to split my box into how many parts?
3.
Split it into the denominator. Split into 3 parts, right? So I'm going to go 1, 2, and 3. So here's part 1, there's part 2, and there's part 3, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now, using this one, I have to split my box the other way into how many parts?
2.
Because the denominator is a...
2.
So I split it in half. So there's part 1 and there's part 2, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now, I need to shade in 2/3, yes?
Yeah.
So I can't go like this because we're going to have a pencil, yes?
Yeah.
So we're going to show 2/3 by using the letter
T.
T stands for,
Top.
we're using the top fraction, right?
Yeah.
So now I have 2/3 of this box shaded in, yes?
Yes.
We're going to shade in 1/2 of the box going across using what letter?
S.
So S, S, and S, which is that, yes?
Yes.
My final answer turns out to be 2/6, right?
Yes.
Why 2? Where do I get my 2 from? Where we have an overlap, right?
Yes.
Okay, and then my 6 is because how many boxes do we have total here?
6.
6 boxes. Should I reduce this still?
Yes.
Awesome job. Last thing. We have to decide if we want to multiply and simplify or simplify and multiply. Well, here we go. Let's just look at this real quick. We had this problem and we have the same exact problem, yes?
Yes.
For 6/8 times 7/14, we just multiplied before reducing, right? We got 42 over 112. We found a common factor. We got 21 over 56. We found another common factor. 3/8 is our final answer, yes?
Yes.
A lot of steps, a little bit of calculator work, yeah?
Yes.
Same exact problem, but instead of multiplying first, we knew that 6 and 8 could be simplified using a common factor of?
2.
And we knew 7 and 14 could be simplified using a common factor of?
7.
6/8 when reduced is just 3/4, right?
Yes.
7/14 when reduced is just 1/2, right?
Yes.
What's 3 times 1?
3.
What's 4 times 2?
8.
Look at how much easier it was to get to 3/8 on the bottom one. Should we simplify first?
Yes.
Yes. On number 9, we simplified first here. You still might have to reduce the answer, right?
Yes.
We good?